guys, this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the Artsnack month of October, and I know I'm a little bit late. I'm 4 months late. I got a lot of stuff to do, but I'm actually gonna show you in different videos, not all in one, because I think it would be just too long of a video. But if you guys are new, this is what I do for my Artsnack unboxing video. Is I actually reviewed this Artsnack. Artsnack is a company which actually puts together 5 full-size art products and then sends them to you so you could have. So say if you like a certain product in the box and you like it to the extreme, you can actually purchase it in Artsnack, or you can actually look it up on Google and then do your little research and buy a whole bunch of them. But yeah, so the cool thing about this is I bought like the whole, it's like a year subscription. If you want to know more, I have all the details down below. You click the link and you read it all about it. And yeah, so the cool thing about Artsnack, as well as those 5 awesome art supplies, is that they actually give you a menu which it tells you all about the item and the prices. So that's really good. I think it's very resourceful, especially if you're not knowing what the item is or the name of it. Maybe if you want to look it up, definitely they give you that. So here it says, here's what's on the menu for October. So then the first pen we're going to be looking at, I see there's a whole bunch of pens for this month, so that's cool. So, and this is actually the Artsnack exclusive and limited edition. So those are other cool things as well that they give you. So what we have here is Karate, Bimjoy, Feud brush pen. These Japanese / Korean / Chinese names always get me. So it says Karate Bimjoy Feud brush pen. So this retails for $8. So here it is. Actually, it comes out with like a really nice packaging. Here you go, guys. It's all in a different language, so I'm not able to read it. But the good thing is, this is why we have the menu here. So let me read all about it. In this month, we're including a special edition pen, and the pen is imported all the way from Japan. Alright, so we know what is behind the box and what language is it in. So it's in Japanese. Oh, it says here made in Japan, obviously. Okay, so let's see, what else does it say here? So it traveled all the way from Japan just for Artsnack. Ooh. It says here, it's no coincidence, Minboji means beautiful letters. Okay, in Japanese. With this comfortable rubber grip and durable felt tip, this brush pen was made for lettering. So if you guys like calligraphy and all that like nice script lettering, and I think this would be the pen for you. So I can't wait to test this out. Let's see here. It says it leads the user's complete control, so each pen stroke appears exactly as expected. The unique pen comes in 10 different patterns. Which one did you get? So I'm guessing the pattern that I got are like flowers. Alright, I want to see other pens. These are nice. This is the pen out of the box. Really nice, very light, very like, I know like I've ordered from Wish a lot of Japanese, Chinese art supplies, and I feel like they're very flimsy, but this is actually really good made. Look at the tip. And here I did some swatches off of the camera. So here is some script of mine. This is some type of calligraphy. I tried my best. And then here are just like some swatches. So you can really go really thin with these to a medium to a large, thick swatch. And this is the name of the pen. So far I really like it. I have other pens that I've gotten before that are similar, and then they're really good with lettering. But I feel like, for me personally, I feel like letters that are, if you want to do calligraphy, I feel like the brush should be a little bit thicker and bigger, just in my opinion. The next item, I actually looked it up right now in my menu, and I actually have a whole bunch of these. These I do so recommend. I love it, and you've seen it in my prior videos. So this is the Sakura Classic White Gel Roll Pen. This one retails for $1.49, and yeah, this is a new products and staff's favorite. Now I know it's one of my favorite products because it's what I use to highlight a lot of my drawings. So let's read a little bit about the Sakura Classic White Pen. It says here, everyone's favorite gel pen just got an upgrade. Okay, so maybe they perfected it a little bit. Sakura has perfected the smooth ink flow technology of their classic white gel roll pen to now offer new sizes. Wow, so it ranges from size 0.5 mm and 1.0 millimeters. Oh, I keep saying mm. And fine to bold. Okay, so that's interesting. Whether you receive the fine or bold tip in your box, you can use it to either small details or large pigment marks. The opaque white ink stands out beautifully on dark or colored paper, as well as makes highlights pop in illustration. So that's what I actually use it for. I use it for highlights on my characters when I do drawings, which is really cool about this, and one of my #1 favorite white pens, other than acrylic paint. But who wants to take out paint, right? So here it is, guys. Is it upside down? Sorry. So here it is. So I got the 0.5. I'm not sure. Okay, so I got the thin. I have one like this. I was hoping I got the thick one. And I'll show you a swatch on my hand. You just gotta let it run. You gotta shake it a little bit. That's how I work with my Sakura pen. But this is, or maybe I have a thick one. But here it is, guys. The pen. I think it's very good, especially good with highlights. My hands are really oily, so you know, you just have to let it keep running because it's kind of translucent, but it gets better. I'm telling you, these pens are awesome, and they're really cheap, so they're $1.49, so I do recommend them. The next item I'm going to be talking about is it's called the Amsterdam acrylic marker in 2mm. So here it is. I'm going to show you really quick. So I'm into the whole Copic, like acrylic based, and what is it? What's the other one? Damn it, Molto, all those. So this is something new and I never had before, so that's kind of interesting. And I got it in color yellow. Here's the packaging. Same thing, very sturdy, very good packaging. And it says here, permanent max, light fastness, and water base. This is a 2mm round nib and transparent. Alright, which I'm hoping it wasn't transparent. Same thing, you have to press hard to actually break the seal. Keep doing it, shake it. Little by little, you'll see the color coming out. Alright, so here it is. I finally popped it. Woohoo! Let's talk about this marker. So this retails for $7 and that's it, $7. The perfect for mixing media applications. The Amsterdam acrylic marker lets you work quickly and directly on a variety of surfaces. Okay. It features water-based pigment ink that's waterproof and permanent when it dries. The 2mm round nib allows you to draw on a smaller scale. However, by mixing some water with the ink on a palette and applying it to your art surface with a brush. Okay, so you can actually use different not materials, but you can use brushes to actually use the ink and water, because it's water based, and spread it along, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna show you some swatches right now. So here it is. It's a neon yellow, which is really cool. Maybe it will glow, but it's just like any regular marker. I think it's really nice, and the color comes out really neat. Now, like I said, is it opaque? No, it's translucent, like they actually said. So that's another thing I'm not such a fan of. I hate anything translucent. But yeah, so this is interesting. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I'm not gonna put this in my giveaway box. The next one and the last one, I know I said 5, but this month they actually gave 4 because this one right here is pretty big. So they have, it's a whole pack of 4 different color markers. So let's read about these. So this one is called the Marabou Graphics Color Fine Line Skyline. So this one retails for $6.99, and this is a set of 4. So the set of 4 comes in black, green, blue, and red, just the standard colors. Here's the packaging, and I can't wait to actually look inside. So it says fine liner, and that's all it says. So let's read about it before I open it. So it says this is a new product. Whether you're jotting down quick sketches on the go or creating outlines for a masterpiece, Marabou graphic color fine liners will help you get your ideas on the page. It says this includes 4 different brilliant colors: ruby red, ultramarine blue, dark green, and black. Each pen features a light, fast, water-based pigment and a durable metal enclosed 0.5mm plastic nib. Alright, so let's open it. Ooh, so this is what they look like here. There's the ruby red, aquamarine blue, dark green, and black. So let's look at just one real quick. And this is what it looks like. Obviously the color of the top is black and the color of the tip on here is black. So that's what it means. It's black. Same thing with here. Red on the sides, black top. Let's look at the tip. So the tip is a 0.5mm standard. So let's see how this works. It's really thick actually. So let's get some swatches. Here are the swatches here. I actually wrote the name. It's just a standard. I feel like it's just a standard 0.5 color, but it is a new set of markers that released, so you know, I think it's pretty nice. But I have a whole bunch of these colors, the black, the dark green. So what is the difference? It's just a new product that they're sending, and you can do so many things with these colors, which is actually really nice. I'm actually gonna add this to the box of giveaway, so if you guys didn't enter, don't forget to enter that. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit too late, but if you are around and you're still looking up October's Artsnacks, here it is. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment down below for other video suggestions. I don't mind taking anything from you guys on whatever's in your brain. Let me know. Let me know your feelings. Let me know any questions you guys have. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, the end of the year giveaway box, which means some of the products that I don't use and some of the products that I do use, I give them to you in this big box. Not big, but a medium box, but it's filling up. So don't forget, I do pick a winner at the end of the month. The directions on how to submit to enter this giveaway is in the first video of 2019, so go check that video out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at Zuki_art. That is another place where you can actually contact me directly, and my team will get to you, not immediately, but maybe in a day or so. If you have any questions about my website or store, that I have all my items on there. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Other than that, this girl is out. Mizuki's out. Bye.